Hi everyone, it's Phil from businessofblogs.com, and today I'll be looking at premium hosting with Bluehost and also whether or not you need to spend $99 a month on their support stroke technical help. Keep watching and hope you like it. Comment and like. If you are with them, I'd love to know what you think of their service at $99 a month. Comment below, that would be great. So, Bluehost, I don't know if you've seen our other video about domain names, but Bluehost were literally advertising all over the hosting domain name space. So they are clearly making a lot of money and advertising to get everyone using them. I've never used Bluehost, but I have heard of it. It is one of the top 3. If you say to somebody who you hosted with on WordPress, they say Bluehost because I think it is affiliated with Wordpress.com. So let's have a look around the web on what we expect from Bluehost pricing. Now, this is an article put together by a website, tooltester.com, and it gives us basically all of the pricing broken down. So if we have a look at their WordPress hosting fees, let's have a look. So we've got some optimized hosting here for those with larger sites, and actually pricing wise is pretty good. They wow you with the amount of visitors per month. 100 million visitors. Wow. Okay, they must be great because we're talking big numbers of visitors. Obviously, terabyte bandwidth. That's amazing price wise. But what speed is it going to be? 2 gig of RAM to get 1 million visitors. If your laptop had 2 gig of RAM in it, would it be able to handle 1 million different tasks throughout that month across 5 different laptops? I'm not too sure. Which would then look at obviously upgrading and adding this and that and the other. All of a sudden it starts to become a bit of an expensive do. So if we have a look at some of the starting prices here, for example, like the cloud storage at $10.95 a month is really good value. You get 100 gig, 2 gig of RAM. This is what you're looking at for one site, right? Okay, so on a hosting platform, it's pretty good. The pricing wise is great, and you can fully expect to have a good WordPress hosted platform. There's no doubt about that. They wouldn't be one of the most known hosts unless they were that good. Okay? However, I had a question earlier on today, and it was about, should I pay $99 a month to get technical WordPress support from Bluehost? And the answer is categorically no. Okay? WordPress is really easy to use. There are so many forums out there with people looking to support you. We want to support you for free. Come and speak to Bob. Go on our website. We have a free chat function. You can ask any question about WordPress or blogging. We are there to help. I'm not sure why you would need to spend $100 each month. And I know it's potentially the fear of missing out, not being able to have that information to hand, or having the security of somebody at the end of an email that you can contact. But seriously, use YouTube or have a look around Google. For example, we are building out a WordPress how-to guide, or as one of our friends put it, a bit of a cheat sheet. Basically, from the moment you decide to go with WordPress, how to get your domain names, how to host, what to do, how to customize, how to add plugins, what plugins you should have, how to make go live, and then all of the security and hosting questions that come with that, completely free. hosted on our website, uploaded onto YouTube. That is there for free. You can then comment on that and we will come back to your comments. And we're not the only ones doing that. There are plenty and plenty of resources out there. So whether it be Bluehost, GoDaddy, HostGator, A2 Hosting, 34SP, we would recommend searching things out yourself. Don't necessarily go with the big boys and use their professional services to achieve what you need to achieve. Have a look yourself. Build up your own knowledge and understanding. Wean yourself off of paid for support so that inevitably down the line you will be able to support others as well as having others support you in the meanwhile. So rely on our communities. If you can't get the answers that you want from there, then have a look at something like this. But I would suggest that we will be able to answer everything that you have and everything that you need. So happy blogging. I hope that your journey is going to be a successful one. If you're watching this and you are looking for support and you've come here to figure out, should I go with these? Don't go with them. Come and have a chat with us at businessofblogs.com. We will support you for free. We are looking for testimonial websites, so we might even build your website for free with you, showing you all of the steps that we did, or we might offer you some free training so that you can do it yourself and you'll be our living, breathing testimonial. So thank you so much for watching this. We really appreciate it. We are businessofblogs.com. Come and speak to Bob. Thanks, everyone.